Yesterday and today, the stock market has had big drops, but most people have no idea how that may have impacted normal everyday Americans and their retirement portfolios. Well, I'm a retirement specialist and I speak to retirees and soon to be retirees every single day. So I've got a pretty good idea and thought I'd share some of my data just from the phone calls that I've had just in the last day or two. So today, during my retirement income consultations and yesterday, with some prospective clients, I asked two simple questions. How much has your portfolio gone down since January? And how do you think that's going to impact your retirement? Here are some of the answers. $60,000, I lost almost 2 years of my retirement income. $48,000 down, I have no idea how it's going to impact. $33,000 down, I don't know. 400 and $400,000 down, not worried at all. Zero, I don't have any money in the stock market. And the last guy had $1.253 million down, extremely worried that he just lost about 10 years of potential retirement income in one day. If you're concerned or worried about it, especially because you don't have your basic monthly expenses being covered by guaranteed income, then you're not fully prepared for retirement. When you can get to the point where you can say, it doesn't matter what happens to the stock market because I'm getting a retirement paycheck either from Social Security, a pension, an annuity, whole life insurance, and my bills are covered, then and only then are you truly prepared for retirement. Now, luckily, a major market drop is not a loss. It's a loss on paper, not in reality. And it's really not a loss unless you sell and lock in the loss below what's known as your cost basis. And I'll get into that in another video. But the advice I'm giving most of my clients right now is stay the course, but take steps to protect your retirement assets to reflect current market conditions. The second piece of advice is you should know what your income and expenses and income gap are and structure your retirement income so that your expenses are more than covered by guaranteed income. If you don't have that already figured out, get on my calendar, grab a spot, and let's figure it out together. All right, peace out. Stay safe. Bye.